Hello, welcome. My name is David Walla-Widnick here at BC Liquor. I'm super excited to show you this, the Sorbet Spritz. Yes, you heard it right, sorbet. And although I'm using lemon here, you can pick any flavor of sorbet that's your favorite and make the drink your own. So let's show you how easy this is to make. We're gonna start off by taking a mixing glass, and the featured product in this is the Bombay Citron Pressé. This is a standard Bombay Sapphire gin, but they've taken Mediterranean lemons, taken both the juice and the zest, and infused it right into that Bombay Sapphire. I'm going to take 1 ounce of that, which is 30 mils, and add that to a mixing glass. I should say, there's no added sugar in that, so it's not a sweet gin. It actually is quite tart. We're going to add a little bit of sugar, a simple syrup of 1:1, equal parts sugar and water, simmer to dissolve, and that is 15 mils, which is half an ounce, and the equal amount of lemon juice. Another 15 mils, half an ounce. Now, let's grab a little bit of ice and put that in to chill and dilute a little bit. Just like so. You might notice that I don't have a lot of ice in there because you really don't need to. You really want to have your liquid in contact with the ice cubes. If the ice cubes are rising up here, they're not really doing anything to the liquid except for melting down the sides of that mixing glass and over diluting your drink before it's properly chilled. Just like that. Now we're going to strain it into this beautiful flute right here. Now we're going to top it off with a little Prosecco. You know, this drink is quite fun. This is a variation of a classic palate cleanser in Italy called a Sgroppino. Sometimes if you go out for a fancy dinner, they might give you a little something in between courses to cleanse the palate. And they call it a Sgroppino. They might put a little lemon sorbet into a bowl or into a glass. They will add a little spirit of either vodka or grappa or something like that. And then they'll add a little bit of Prosecco, gently stir it so it gets foamy and makes a light, airy presentation. And then you sip it to cleanse the palate. So this is very similar to a Sgroppino, but we're going to dress it by putting the sorbet right on top. You see how I'm keeping that at a 45? Nice gentle pop there. More of a instead of a popping sound. The 45 increases the surface area on top of the bubbles and allows for the bubbles to dissipate in a wider surface area. And this way, it's less likely to foam over. The Prosecco goes right in there. Leave yourself a little bit of space on the top so we can add in some sorbet. I'm going to add in this beautiful lemon sorbet. As I said earlier, if you have a favorite flavor of sorbet, feel free to just go and choose your favorite flavor, and then take a piece of mint and dress it right on top. Now the fun part about this is that as that sorbet gently melts into the glass, you're sipping through the sorbet, keeping the top of that cocktail nice and chilled. It couldn't be more simple and delicious. That is the Sorbet Spritz. I'm David, here at BC Liquor. I look forward to seeing you again real soon.